It's 5 a.m. here, Thursday in Wilpattu in Sri Lanka. So Wilpattu is quite known for leopards. It's at the north of Colombo. So yesterday night we spent like 4 hours driving to get there. A short night of sleep, and now we're about to go. So we heard that there are leopard cub in the area. They saw them yesterday. So hopefully that's that's what I'm going for. But also there are much more stuff like bears and things like that. So we're gonna see what we can find. So in the morning, all the cars are queuing to get inside the park. So we are the first one in the queue now, which is a great thing. So let's see what we can find. One of the things that I like the most in this part of the world for safari is that the landscape is really nice. Like it's really green, and it's always like long roads with lots of trees and this kind of thing. So you can create very nice composition. And good morning. So short night here, but quite a lucky day in Wilpattu. So started the day with a sloth bear crossing the road that came probably 2 meters from me. So it was the first time that I see a sloth bear from that close. That was really nice, and some really good shots with really good light. And then after that we heard about a male leopard that was moving around. So we went to look for it. It took us 3 hours, and then we finally managed to find it. We were the first one, so that was really nice. Stayed around 20 minutes, and then he disappeared in the bush. So yeah, now we are trying to find it again. Let's see if we can find it. And obviously the one that I'm really looking for is to find the leopard cubs. So let's see, 16 of them in the area. So hopefully within the next 4 days we can do that. So what happened next is that we found the male as we were looking for it, and there was too many vehicles. That was really not really nice. So I decided, okay, let's just leave and I don't know, let's go for lunch and try to do something else. So we left, and then while we were driving, probably, I don't know, 500 meters from the lunch, we got to see a female leopard on the road. A really nice road, completely empty, no one was there. So yeah, that's probably the best shot of the day. So yeah, sometime if you don't feel it, better to leave and then just go to the next. So yeah, great. And now we are just leaving the park as well. So yeah, really positive day for the first one. So that's day 2 here. So really nice area where we stopped for lunch. Lots of monkey here, and also some cubs were spotted not too far from here as well. So we are trying to find them. We stayed for 2 hours. I probably slept a good half an hour because I was so tired. And yeah, that's gonna be the goal of the afternoon. Try to find those cubs. But yeah, it's quite tough. During the day, obviously, they are less active. So yeah, just need to be patient. That's gonna be the key to success. So for the past 3 days, we have been searching for the cubs here in Wilpattu. We knew where they were, but we just got a kind of a glimpse of them every day, and that's it, not too much.
The mom was going back and forth every day, but we couldn't also really get her. And I guess today was a lucky day because because of this guy here. We were just having lunch, and then suddenly she came. We knew she was around with the cubs. She came, crossed the roads, and the cub were following. And this is really busy road, and at that time there was no one, and no one came for the 20 minutes. So we got 20 minutes of her with the cubs on a scenic road. So that was just insane. Now we're still looking for her. She's probably trying to find a new place to drop the cub. So yeah, happy day.
So now we are walking, and this is the rock that we need to climb. So normally it takes around 1 hour to go up. So let's see how long it's gonna take us. Yeah. So here are the stairs to go up. But before that, we have much more. So this is the last bit here, going up. That seems, yeah, quite a lot of people here. Now we're going up. It's quite scary. But those are the origin steps. So before there was a ladder. That's what we used. Now it's much easier, obviously, but it's still quite steep. And if you are scared of height, then that could be a bit of a challenge. So now we are at the top of the Lion's Rock. So we are on the way down soon because we didn't have much time. It's mainly ruins here. You can walk pretty much everywhere. Lots of monkey, really nice view. But yeah, except that, unless you take a guide, you might not know much about it. So yeah, that's probably the best thing to do. For us, we didn't really have time, so yeah.
So now we just arrived in Minneriya for the elephant, because we couldn't see much. In Wilpattu you don't find any elephants. So here mainly elephants, there is no leopard, but there are 5% of the population that are tusker. So this is what we want to see. So let's see if we'll find them. Apparently they are here, so that would be a good thing. So now we just finished Minneriya. So we stayed for 3 hours with the elephants. That was nice. Lots of them. There was one tusker male that was trying to find a female. So that was quite interesting. but yeah, not much except the elephants. And they were mainly like around the lake, so nice scenery. But yeah, if you're expecting to see much more, it's not really the case. So yeah, done for the day, and tomorrow we are off to the train to Ella. So we'll be out of the wildlife for a bit and do something else, more of hiking now.
So now heading to the train station. So now we are in Kandy, ready to take the train to Ella. So that train should take around 6 hours. You can either book it online, which is a bit challenging, or get it directly at the counter. So we got it like 5 days ago, just to be sure. And yeah, let's see the experience. So now we are in probably the highest class in the train, but I guess second class maybe might be better because at least you can open the window. So let's see. Waiting for the train now to arrive. Now we are near the door of the train, and it's completely open, so you can lean outside. Now it's just about relaxing a little bit in Ella with a nice view on the tea plantation. So now we are checking a new place called Secret Waterfall. So let's see, in this one you can swim apparently. So let's see, because the other one was really crowded. So let's see. So now we are with our friend at the summit of the Little Peak Adams, which is quite a nice view, almost like 360.
un bon petit café.
And we got a nice coffee in the morning. So now we are visiting a tea factory. So we're gonna do the plantation tour to understand how things are done outside. But today is a non-working day, so nothing in production. So now we arrived to last location. So in Ella we've been changing 3 times the places, so every night a different place, because there are lots of amazing places, and I think this one is really amazing. So let me show you our home for the night. Really nice tent. So that tent is basically on a deck. So look at this here. A table, and then we have some net so that we can lay down in there. All good? This is the entrance.
This one very old.
Oh, it's in French. Yeah.
Okay.
So now we are just walking in the street of Galle. You can see the colonialism from Dutch, which is quite interesting. Really cute city. So yeah.